cheesy spinach stuffed chicken breast. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is a beautiful, elegant, and delicious dish right here, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So we are gonna begin with this spinach. Go ahead and give it a chop nice and fine, you know what I'm saying, till it's looking something like this. Once you have it chopped up, go ahead and grab you a bowl, drop in that cream cheese, drop in that parmesan cheese, drop in that mozzarella, drop in that minced garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper, and you cannot forget that spinach. Get everything in that bowl, give it a nice little mix until you have everything well combined. Here we have two beautiful chicken breasts, and what I'm doing here is just cutting a little bit of a pocket into that chicken breast. And you know what's going in that pocket? Yummy, yummy goodness. That is where we're gonna stuff all of that filling right there. So go ahead and cut that little pocket into both of your chicken breasts, and then we are ready to stuff them. So here we are ready to stuff up that chicken breast. And very important, don't get carried away like I did and overstuff your chicken. What that does is make it a little bit more difficult to seal this up with some toothpicks. And it does allow, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of leakage, you know what I'm saying. You don't want that filling to leak too much, so try not to overstuff them like I did. But if you do, it's still not the end of the world because you still have plenty of stuffing in there. All right, just a heads up. So now that we have both of our chicken breasts stuffed, we are gonna attempt to seal this up with some toothpicks. All right, let's go ahead and grab several toothpicks and just run them into your chicken just like so, almost like a set of sutures or something. I don't know. You want to close up that chicken, try to keep as much of that filling in there as possible. Again, I did overstuff it, and it's not the end of the world, but get those toothpicks, get it closed up. Now we are just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on our chicken. We're gonna just rub it on in, and you know we have to season up our chicken proper. All right, so on the screen as well as in the description box, you'll see a list of the seasonings that we are using to do so. So go ham, go crazy, be generous with the seasoning, and we are gonna do this until both sides are well coated up. So I have my pan here to about a medium. I drizzle a little bit of oil in there, and we are just gonna drop our chicken in. What I'm doing here is just looking for a little bit of color. You're probably gonna let it sit on each side for about 3 minutes or so, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. And it's not gonna fully cook at this point. So you wanna make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and have it ready to go. And this is our chicken after we have both sides seared up. we are gonna transfer them into a baking pan, as you see here. But if your pan is oven safe like mine is, you could just toss the whole pan in the oven. But I wanted to transfer it to a tray. You know, my pan looking all messy and whatnot. All right, so this is how you should be looking after 10 or 15 minutes. When your chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165, you know that it is fully cooked, and this is the end result, baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy goodness. Come on now, stop playing with me. I hope you guys all enjoyed this recipe. Shout out to the channel members. If you want to know more about it, hit that join button down below. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.